Fremont Street is one of the most famous streets in Las Vegas, coming in second only to the Las Vegas Strip. Before Las Vegas Boulevard was developed into the entertainment and hospitality haven it is known for today, Fremont Street was the hub of fun and home to all the iconic imagery we associate with Sin City. Today, Fremont Street is lively, bright, and one of the most popular downtown Las Vegas attractions. If you're looking for a low-cost spot that is close enough to the Strip to visit but not quite in the middle of bustle, we recommend staying in a hotel on Fremont. Golden Gate Hotel opened in 1906 at 1 Fremont Street. Golden Gate's legacy spans the birth of Las Vegas, the Roaring Twenties, the Rat Pack era, and now the indulgent 21st century. Traditional aesthetics meet modern luxury at this hotel. This Fremont Street hotel has Art Deco accents and a swing-era-inspired design while still meeting the needs of a modern customer. They offer penthouse suites with outdoor patio areas, a kitchen, wet bar, and wall-mounted bar. The suites feature waterfall rainfall shows and 50-inch HD screens and standard room's 32-inch screens. Enjoy the bars and nightlife at the hotel, which were frequently visited by the Rat Pack. Grab a cocktail and take in the night show. The casino area at the Golden Gate blends modern slot machines and video poker with traditional craps, blackjack, and table games like 3-card poker and Let It Ride. Golden Gate pays 10x odds on dice and 3-2 on all blackjacks. It may be called the California Hotel, but this spot will bring the feeling of Hawaiian aloha to Sin City. Known as the Ninth Island, this hotel is very relaxed and laid back. Enjoy the hospitality of the Hawaiian Islands, the delicacies, and the lush, colorful decor. When you visit the lobby, make sure to rub Happy Buddha's belly for good luck. Visit the California Noodle House to enjoy regional dishes from throughout the Pacific Rim. For a more fine dining experience, the Redwood Steakhouse has a diverse menu with chops, steaks, and fresh seafood. There are lots of fantastic ways to play and win at the California. Enjoy more than 1,000 slot machines and over 28 table games, including craps. The rooms are modern with a tropical atmosphere. There is also a freshwater pool with a luxurious lounge area to spend time at. The Four Queens, opened in 1966, has embraced everything that made Vegas famous. The 694 rooms and 32,000 square foot casino harkens back to old Vegas. Yet there are new games and modern restaurants to please the 21st century guest. Hugo's Cellar Gourmet Restaurant is a romantic spot where ladies are greeted with a long-stemmed rose, ideal for couples. Magnolia's Veranda overlooks the casino floor and serves food 24/7. Chicago Brewing Company and Cigar Lounge is a cozy spot to watch sports on the big screen, while enjoying award-winning, handcrafted microbrews and a casual menu. The patio bar wraps around the corner of the Four Queens, allowing guests to enjoy panoramic views of the Fremont Street experience, concerts on the 3rd Street stage, and the Slotzilla zip line. The rooms are a little basic and dated, despite the 2016 renovations where new bathrooms with walk-in showers were added. If you want a pool, spa, or fitness center, this is probably not the best spot for you. If you want a quiet sleep, avoid rooms in the North Tower that overlook the Fremont Street experience. Golden Nugget has an old-school charm and retro cool that will conjure the spirit of Las Vegas. This downtown institution is at the forefront of downtown Vegas and Fremont Street. Grab an award-winning steak at the intimate Vic and Anthony, with a menu centered around USDA prime grain-fed beef, fresh seafood, and an extensive wine list. Chart House is a seafood restaurant with a Vegas flair and a view over the huge tropical fish aquarium. Saltgrass Steakhouse mimics the flavor of the open campfire, whilst the grill is better suited to those wanting to grab a quick bite between games. The Golden Nugget is also home to fast food favorites, Asian and Italian restaurants. The centerpiece at the Golden Nugget is the $30 million award-winning pool area. This pool is unlike anything anywhere else in Vegas, with a 200,000-gallon shark tank aquarium and private cabana area. You can climb 300 feet into the air and rush through a unique water slide that runs through the tank. Binion's Gambling Hall is an iconic casino that is said to be the place that made poker famous. The Hotel Apache originally opened in 1932 to house the contractors working on the Hoover Dam. It was home to Vegas's first air-conditioned hotel lobby, and is now famous for its supernatural presence. On top of Binion Steakhouse sits the 24th floor that offers stunning views of the Las Vegas city lights alongside a gourmet menu. Get a bite to eat at Binion's Cafe, located in the center of the action-packed casino, or enjoy mouth-watering smoked barbecue at Benny's Smoking Barbecue and Brews. Overlooking the sights and entertainment of the Fremont Street experience, Whiskey Liquor is an outdoor bar with some of the best views in downtown Vegas. Binion's Gambling Hall features tables, games dealt by beautiful cowgirls, live and video poker, slow machines, and craps with 5 times odds. Circa Resort and Casino is the first ground-up casino in downtown Las Vegas for over 40 years. This new addition to the Strip is home to the world's largest sports book, a rooftop amphitheater with 6 pools and 4 original restaurants. It's also home to the Garage Mahal, the most high-tech transportation hub in Las Vegas. This adult-only resort feels more modern and mature, with no water slides, flaming volcanoes, or lazy rivers to be found. The only Vegas spot for over 21s, sports lovers can enjoy the 40-foot-high HD TV for watching major gameplay. Then later, head to the heated pool, or take in Vegas Vicky, the 25-foot-tall reclining neon cowgirl sign which originally appeared at the Glitter Gulch Casino. Circa is home to an eclectic range of dining options including steaks and seafood at Barry's Downtown Prime, Pan-Asian Fare at 8 East, classic delicatessen offerings at Saginaw's Delicatessen, authentic Carolina barbecue at Project Barbecue, and family favorites at Victory Burger and Wings Co., from the founding family of American Coney Island. This neon-clad hotel and casino is considered a living monument to an old Vegas that existed before the Strip, a shrine to decades-old cool and draw for all fans of Fremont Street. The Fremont Hotel and Casino is dedicated to gambling, with a huge gaming floor that boasts just about every variation of popular game and machine, alongside a sports and racing betting parlor. Guests can hop next door and use the rooftop pool of the California Hotel, but otherwise there are few amenities if you aren't a gambler. Tony Roma's is a well-known chain steakhouse, while the other flagship restaurant, 2nd Street Grill, serves up Pacific Rim-style favorites. There are several food court-style units, ideal for a grab-and-go meal before a day of gambling or traveling around Vegas. Fremont Street is the beating heart of downtown Las Vegas, and booking a hotel there puts you in the center of all that action. Fremont Street is a fantastic and underrated slice of old-school nostalgia that everyone can enjoy. With cost-efficient hotels, diverse restaurants, fantastic views, and nostalgic casinos, it's a great spot to stay in during your Sin City visit. We hope you enjoyed our video. Feel free to check out other hotels and resort videos on our channel. We would greatly appreciate it if you could leave us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.